Hi guys, we've been getting a lot of call for videos on how to use our purse pillows. So we decided to do our first video using Birkin 35. So here it goes. As everyone knows, this is a 35 Togo leather. The bag, I believe, is about 13 years old. As you could see, it's in pretty great shape. It's always been stored with our purse pillow, and let me just walk you through how it's done. So this is our purse pillow. It is satin, it is hypoallergenic, it is patented to have moisture absorbing qualities inside. We're the only ones that could say that, and it works pretty well. So what you would do is, once you get it, you take it out of the plastic and you would just massage it a little because fibers shift. You put it inside and then you do one of these and you tighten the straps and you store it. Now, our pillows are made not to close because you don't want to leave imprints here, nor do you want to mark the hardware, which is gold plated, so you don't want to have any scuffing or anything else. So now it's ready to be stored, as you could see. Now, some people say that this is a little bit slightly out, but think of it as Botox, where you need it to be slightly fuller in order to keep its shape and to help the skin stay supple. And as you see, once you take it out, it pops back into shape. This is the shape of a real Birkin. It will fall in and you're ready to go.